welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ay manghipos na itong Christmas tree. And
It's time to keep the Christmas tree.
para sa next year na po guys.
11 months to go.
Welcome to my vlog. So now guys, it's time to keep this stuff. Ayan. After 11 months guys, itaod na po ni siya. Sakto ta. So guys, mag-start tayo sa bowl. Para next year, dapat tayo magamit. Dali ala pa no? Para wala ni agi ang kuan. Para kailan lang. January na to 2024. Sana sa 2025 may forever na Desh. Sana may forever na. Mut lang apam. Yung tawagan eh. Looking for someone. Looking for someone. Or samto. So guys, let's go. Kailangan natin i-ano ni guys para tipid-tipid sa next year guys. Magamit naman ulit.
Looking for someone or samto. Kani?
So ayan guys, si hi sa madam.
Hi guys. I'm so slim.
Sana
My tummy is slim.
So don't forget to subscribe guys. Kapag bago ka pa sa aking YouTube channel, huwag mo na kalimutan mag-subscribe. Para to get more dollars.
Oh no!
Nangarap ng gising. Siguro kayo wala ba nangarap?
Hello, it's a Christmas tree guys. Likapoy na. Look at that.
Hindi nagkakahulog na.
Okay lang. Okay lang pa.
Dari mulai keklaro kesucian aku.
Kita rom.
Lagi oh.
May sana Inspired. Inspired. Buti pa sila inspired sa 2024 nila. Oh my gulay.
All the memories we made under the summer sun, chasing after waves, a taste of berries on my
At guys, super cute.
sipping on a feeling, sun is got me healing, vibing out to your guitar. I don't wanna go yet, watching the sunset, wishing on a shooting star. Ooh, I know that it has
Ito guys, Jollibee.
maybe we could just pretend. I know that it has to end. Maybe we could just pretend.
So ito na siya nangyari guys at natapos na natin dito na part. So ito na siya yung mga stuff guys na kailangan natin ilagay sa isang box kung saan natin siya pwede ilagay. So next is dito na po tayo sa terrace guys. Yan, kukunin natin yan guys. So now guys, dito naman tayo sa part nito. So first ko, kailangan natin kunin itong mga design na ito para hindi masyadong
We could just pretend. I know that it has to end.
So this is not my house guys ha. I'm working here on this family. Mako? Absolutely.
All the memories we made under the summer sun, chasing after waves that taste.
So now guys, I bring here. So dinala ko dito yung mga stuff guys na kailangan ko i-arrange tonight. But kulang pala yung gamit ko guys kasi yung carton na expected, yung box na expected ko guys na malagyan ng Christmas tree, sira pala guys. So tingnan ko kung makasya ba dito sa box na ito. Kailangan natin siya i-fold yung Christmas tree guys. So dalawa pala yung Christmas tree natin. So here, dito kasi yun sa room tong Christmas tree na to guys. Yung isa before dun sa kabilang bahay nilang madam. So now kailangan natin to i-arrange tong mga stuff na to guys. Super dami-dami. So finally guys, I'm done. So nalagay ko na sa box yung ibang Christmas tree at yung mga ibang stuff guys. Now may isa pang Christmas tree guys na wala na kasi akong malagyan dyan. So bukas na lang guys, magdala ako ng isang box galing sa store. Kasi wala na akong malagyan guys. At yun ang isa guys, nandoon na siya. Then now, it's already midnight. So kailangan ko na magbihis para matulog na guys. So anyway guys, so that's my vlog for tonight guys, at sana po na-enjoy to yung video na ito guys. And by the way, Happy New Year everyone, and keep safe always. We love you all.